Hello and welcome to this jewelry making course. In this course I will use lava stones and coral in order to make a pair of earrings. As findings, I will use some eye pins, and some fishhook ear wires, and also some jump rings. Whereas as tools I will use some cutting pliers, some round nose pliers, and some chain nose pliers. So let's begin. I will take one of those lava stones and I will take one of the eye pins and put the lava stone on the eye pin. Now I will cut a bit of the eye pin with the cutting pliers. This way. I will take the chain nose pliers and bend the pin to 90 degrees like this. Now I will take the round nose pliers and create a loop Now I will put the fishhook ear wire on the loop like this. I will close the loop and the first part of my earring is ready. Now I will take one of those jump rings. I will grab it. I will open it. And I will put the coral on the jump ring. I will put the jump ring through my earring and I will close the jump ring on the coral piece. And the first earring is ready. So this will be the first earring. And now let's make the second earring. I will take the lava stone, put the lava stone on the pin. I will cut the end of the pin with the cutting pliers, this way. Now I will take the chain nose pliers, bend the pin, like this. Now I will grab the end of the pin and start creating the loop, like this. I will put the fishhook ear wire on the loop and close the loop. Like this. And again I have made the first part of the earring. Now I will take the jump ring and open the jump ring, put the coral on the jump ring, then I put the jump ring through the rest of the earring that I have created, and I close. The jump ring this way. And I have also created the second earring. And now let's put the earrings like this. And as you can see, the two earrings are ready. So these are the finished earrings.